Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tech Team Trunks channel, where we're going to discuss Microsoft Team tips and tricks. So what Microsoft Teams is it's a powerful corporate discussion and collaboration and meeting application since it's provided with Microsoft 365 and Office 365 business and enterprise subscriptions. Many organizations as of now use it as an essential method for keeping their workforce both in office and remote in contact. Teams allows you to set up different channels, which are areas for discussion for your team. You can share, store files, and conduct voice and video meetings. A feature of Microsoft 365 Office 365 Teams integrates well with a group of Microsoft business applications that includes Excel, OneDrive, OneNote, Outlook, Planner, PowerPoint, SharePoint, and Word. We're going to be using the free web version. We're not going to install anything. You don't have to install anything to use it if you're interested in using it. So one of the things you can do is you can customize your notifications. Microsoft Team makes it easy for individuals that are included in multiple channels to customize their notifications. In the event that you prefer not to be disturbed or interrupted with alerts, and you need to have the best experience possible on a chat channel, then you should customize your notifications. That's one of the first things I would do. You could do this by simply clicking on your profile picture located in the right corner of the top and select the notifications tab and set the alarm type frequency to your own preference. So looking at the screenshot here, what I've done is in the web version, and I clicked the ellipses next to my picture, and it took me to settings, and I went all the way down to notifications, and that's where I figured it out at. All right, so moving right along. The other thing you could do is you could bookmark a message. Click on the three ellipses at the top left corner of the message and select Save this message. Select the channel, click on the Files tab, click Open in SharePoint, click Sync. Then we're going to talk about marking as unread. Assuming that there are messages that require follow-up on your part, you can mark them as unread as an indicator to return to them later. You can even filter them out for unread messages. So what I have here in the graphic is marked as unread, and then you can filter them out as needed. I want to point out that sharing is caring. Share some safe saving tips with employees and colleagues. The more people that in teams know how to utilize these features, the more productive you can be collectively. And then number 5, you could use SharePoint to store and share files. SharePoint is highly integrated into Microsoft Teams. This feature allows numerous companies to secure their file storage and collaboration on files shared. You and your teammates at your company can easily share files just by clicking on the Files tab means of SharePoint, as well as by accessing SharePoint files previously shared to the platform. Office Online or Office Desktop app is an important tool that teammates can use to collaborate on files shared to the channel by means of SharePoint. Use the web app. When you click on the link in another browser tab will open, prompting you to open Microsoft Teams. Many people will click this instead of cancel. There's the option to use the web app. Now you should give a title to your chat exchanges. Channels frequently carry thousands of conversations. To make particular chat unique and more searchable from various conversations, give it a particular title. Giving a title to your chat while chatting with somebody on your team member will make your exchanges show up effectively when you do a search later on. Microsoft Teams makes it nice and convenient for you as well as your organization to give a name to your chat just by clicking the pencil on top besides the member names and type any title you might want to name with the chat with. That's really a cool feature. Another great feature and another tip is that you can edit directly in Teams. While working on shared Office documents, upload them to Teams. This ensures that each team member is working from the most up-to-date version, saving everybody time and effort down the line. Also, keyboard shortcuts are very important. Teams has a ton of extremely useful shortcuts. However, the first you should learn is Control Plus in the desktop application. This will open up a list of all available keyboard shortcuts in Teams. Another thing you could do is you could forward email messages into a channel. These days, heaps of organizations belonging to the corporate world rely hugely on email. Microsoft Teams is very much aware of the situation, thereby makes it workable for organizations to forward their email message to a channel directly from Outlook. You undoubtedly forward any email message into the channel just by clicking the ellipses located next to the channel name, and you get the get email address option. This will help with creating email address for the channel, which you can then duplicate and use for whatever you want to forward to it and you need to add to the channel, including Word docs, messages, and more. All right, essentially, if you go to Microsoft, you'll find that you could have it for the home and you could get it for free. That's kind of what I'm using right now, is set up for free for home. You got different business packages like that. If you're a company or your organization, you would come here and you would look at the different rates. And if you're for the home, you can have it for personal use and you get all these different features on it. Also, they have different further packages down the bottom. Key benefits or usage: Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, OneDrive, cloud storage, and backup files and photos. Well, hey, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a comment below. If I missed anything or you want to add a comment or add a tip to using Microsoft Teams that you know that is one of your favorite tips, please add it to the comment below. Feel free to like the video on your way out. Subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed. Thanks for watching and have a great day.